Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. Today's video is my organised morning routine, which works really well for me and my family, so I thought I would share this video as it might work well for yours too. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name's Michelle and I'm mum to two girls. I upload videos every single week on things like cooking, cleaning, hauls, lifestyle, vlogs, so if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. Most days are exactly the same and I get up at 7 o'clock. I set 2 alarms just in case. The first thing I do when I get up before I do anything else is just to give the bathroom a quick clean. So I'll give the sink a quick wipe over, the toilet, and then bleach it. I find by doing this really helps me keep on top of the housework and keeps it clean. Then I will jump in the shower. Now, some of my morning prep actually starts the night before, so every night before I go to bed I always make sure that I've chosen what I'm going to wear the next day for both me and Arabella, and then there's no messing about in the morning and I know exactly what I'm going to wear. Once I'm dressed, I'll then go and wake Arabella up. Hello? Ellie? Did you drop Ellie? Oh, you dropped Ellie. Did you have a nice sleep? You had a nice sleep? Birds on the wall, yeah. Come on then, shall we get up? You want some milk? Another Ellie, yeah. Whilst I'm getting Arabella up, Nick will have gone downstairs to get her milk ready for her to have in my bed. Arabella likes to lay in our bed and have her milk just while she has some TV on, and while she's doing so I'll normally just sort a washing load out. I always try and do at least one load of washing a day, and again this really helps me keep on top of the washing. I always get so many questions about this washing basket that I have. It is honestly fantastic because it has 3 dividers in it and it just makes sorting washing out in the morning so much easier. I would definitely recommend getting one like this. Come on then! Once Arabella's had her milk, it's then time to get her dressed for the day and get her nappy changed. She always has a bath at night, so we don't need to kind of waste any time on that in the mornings. She always runs away from me when we try to get dressed, and yeah, so it's often quite a fun time of the morning. So like with my clothes, I always get her clothes ready the night before so I don't need to mess around or waste any time deciding on what she's going to wear, and I just put these at the bottom of the cot so I can just grab them super quick in the morning. Once Arabella is dressed, we'll head downstairs where I'll put the washing on and then go on to get her some breakfast. So whilst we're doing this, Nick will normally make the bed. Depending on which of us goes downstairs or up, then the other makes a bed. It's all about teamwork in this house. that book then and then we'll get breakfast, yeah? Uh-huh. What's that book? Who is it? Book.
Say, who is it? Mickey Mouse. Say mouse. Oh. What are they doing?
This is tidy this morning. She's already been in there getting things out. Are you getting Dolly? Yeah. Oh. Come on then, breakfast. Whilst Arabella has a little play in her playroom, I'll go and get her breakfast ready and most importantly make myself a cup of coffee. So recently she's actually really good at feeding herself. She's absolutely loving either blueberry or raisin wheats from Tesco, so she'll just have these with some blueberries in, and I'm just going to have some porridge with blueberries too. Arabella and I will then sit and eat our breakfast, and I kind of have to do a bit of multitasking here because normally whilst I'm eating my breakfast she'll be watching Mr. Tumble or something else on CBeebies, and then I will also do my makeup, so I kind of do a bit of makeup, eat a bit of breakfast, and it just kind of works for me because I just can talk to Arabella, yeah, and kind of get ready at the same time. Everyone has their chores in this house, so this is my eldest daughter, and one of her chores in the morning is to come down and empty and reload the dishwasher. This massively helps me out because it just means that the sides are clear, and then I'll just have a quick wash up later before I head off to work. Another thing that I like to do recently is to utilise my slow cooker. So what I'll often do in the mornings is make a dinner in the slow cooker, just prep it quickly, put it all in the slow cooker. So today I'm just going to make a spicy lamb and chickpea dish, which is super easy to prep. All I've done is put one onion in, some diced lamb, a few teaspoons of harissa, then I'll just add in 2 tin tomatoes and cook that on low for around 6 to 8 hours. So when I get in from work later, it's all ready. All I need to do is add a tin of drained chickpeas and a few peppers, served with rice, and yeah, it's super easy. It doesn't mean I don't have to be faffing around with any dinners or anything, and this literally takes me a couple of minutes to prepare in the morning. Once we've eaten our breakfast and I've prepped the dinner, we'll head upstairs to brush our teeth, and Nick normally will prep Arabella's pack up. It just basically depends who takes Arabella up, depends on who does the pack up. Each week I try and make Arabella something for her lunch to take to nursery, so she's always got something, and last night I made these fritters. So they're basically just tuna, sweet corn, a bit of flour in there, and then she'll take these to nursery with a few pieces of fruit, a bit of cheese and some natural yogurt. So that's Arabella more or less ready. So I'll just quickly do her hair. I'll just basically kind of put it half up, half down, just to try and sort it out a little bit. It's a nightmare trying to do her hair because she will just never sit still. If any of you mums have got little girls out there, I am sure you can empathise with me. I'm working from the office today, so Nick's going to take Arabella nursery. She always gives me a really big hug and kiss goodbye, and she absolutely loves going to nursery. Oh no! Bye-bye! See you later! See you later! As Nick has taken Arabella nursery, I have a little bit of time to get my hair done before I have to go to work. I always wash my hair at night if it needs doing because it just saves me time. It can take so long to do in the morning, and what I often do is actually, as soon as I've washed my hair, is put it up in a hairband wet in my hair, and then when I take it down in the morning it's still wet, so I can kind of dry it as though I would have just washed it, and it seems to work much better doing it this way, and obviously saves me all the time. So I'll just dry and straighten my hair. So that's me now, I'm ready to go off to work. So I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and it gave you an idea of a morning routine and how I stay super organised. This is a routine that really works for me and my family. I know you need to kind of find your own routine, but I thought by sharing this it might give you some hints and tips on what could save you a little bit of time in the morning and just make your mornings a little bit more stress-free. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!